Changing differential fluids on an ATV or UTV can be a real headache with tight spaces and awkward angles. Forget the struggle using funnels. There's a smarter way. Meet the Mityvac MVA6851 Fluid syringe. With a 7-ounce capacity, it makes fluid handling simple and clean. Just draw the differential fluid into the syringe, then simply dispense it into the fill port, even in those hard-to-reach spots. Monitor the amount added with the built-in measurements and stop right at the recommended fluid capacity of the gearbox or reservoir. Bumping the plunger dispenses small fluid amounts to accurately top off and limit overfilling or spills. Cap the nozzle to prevent drips, reinstall the fill plug, and you're done. The MVA6851 isn't just for differentials. It is perfect for evacuating, refilling, or topping off brake fluid reservoirs, refilling or topping off coolant reservoirs, and more. And for those larger fluid handling jobs, check out our 1.5 liter MVA6852 extractor and dispenser, capable of handling refills of crankcases, transmissions, differentials, and other high capacity reservoirs and cases. Pick yours up from one of our many local and online distributors today.